Had that brief burst of snow that ended right around daybreak here in Grand Rapids, put down a good 2, 3, even 4 inches in a couple of spots. And we're going to do the reverse here tonight. Rain changing to snow. 13 weather ball blinking bright because of that insight. It's also blue, a much colder weekend in view. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Upper 30s, even 40, all the way up to Big Rapids. You were warmer than Grand Rapids today. 40 in Fremont, also in Muskegon. Our average high is 38. We forecast 39 here in Grand Rapids. That came within 1 degree of our forecast high. 10 days in a row that we've been within 3 degrees of that forecast high. Temperatures are going to fall below freezing before 11 o'clock. So whatever is left, snow, ice, water is going to freeze. And boy, is it going to freeze solid. We'll get at least a little bit of inland sunshine away from the lakeshore. Downwind of the lake in Allegan and Van Buren counties, there's a winter weather advisory that goes into effect at 7 p.m. for the 24-hour period ending at 7 p.m. during the day on Saturday. You could see a couple 3 inches. Here's how much snow fell this morning. Anywhere between 2+ across the area to as much as 4 in Fenwick. Over in Canonsburg, they had about 3.5 inches of snow. 3.5 at the airport as well. Boost our February total to 11 inches, but we're still running about 1.75 inches below average for the season. 26 below average here in Muskegon. The only surpluses are Lansing and Flint up north, where they have been reported. They're still running about 4 inches below average up here in Marquette. But they've had, what, 120 inches worth of snow? 37 right now in Grand Rapids. There are a couple of sprinkles of rain out here on the weather deck. It's changing over to snow up here in Ludington and Big Rapids, but your temperature's still above freezing. This area of light rain will push off to the south and east, and it'll change over to some snow. This is how much snow is expected between now and Sunday. Just trace amounts inland. That will be this evening. But north of Whitehall, all the way up to Ludington, there could be 3+ inches there. That's all from lake effect, and from about Holland area southward down through South Haven, there could be as much as 6+ inches in those areas. So that's why the advisories are in effect for Allegan and Van Buren counties starting tonight through late tomorrow evening. Forecast then, we're going to jump ahead to the long range outlook for weeks 3 and 4. This comes out every Friday from the 26th of February through March 11th. Our part of the country, much of the country, seeing higher chances for warmer than average temperatures and higher chances for more precipitation during that 2-week period. Winter might be done after next week. Forecast for tomorrow, lake effect snow showers, especially from Holland southward. Highs will be in the low 20s there, upper teens up to the northern lakeshore areas. North of Grand Rapids will be in the mid and upper teens with mostly cloudy skies. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, a higher chance to see lake effect snow in those areas. Lesser chance inland with a little bit of late day clearing. Highs around 20. 13 on your side forecast. Cold mornings both Sunday and Monday morning, 5 above. 26 on Monday, back to average on Tuesday at 32. Rain Wednesday night as we hit 45. Rain changing to snow with some accumulation likely next Thursday. Following weekend looks colder Friday but more seasonable next Saturday and Sunday.